Billionaires. They fascinate us all truly. How do they make so much money? Is it just pure luck or something more? Many people wonder about their secrets. They look for a magic formula always. It seems very complex from the outside. We often see only the shiny end result. We see their big grand houses, we see their fancy cars and private jets. Their success stories are everywhere presented. Newspapers and TV shows talk about them. They seem like superhumans almost to us. They are different from ordinary people, we think. But is that the complete honest truth? Or is something important missing from the picture? People search for that one big trick, the one brilliant idea that changes everything. They read many books and attend seminars. They hope to find a shortcut very quickly. Everyone wants the easy path, quite naturally. But the real story is often much simpler, and also much harder in its own way. It is hidden in plain sight, mostly. Today we will explore one such secret. It is not about genius IQ always. It is not about family money either, usually. It is something quieter, much more personal. A habit of mind, you can easily say. This particular secret is very powerful indeed. Let us uncover it together step by step now. Are you ready for this interesting journey ahead? The secret is about failure, you see. Yes, you heard it right. It is failure. Most people fear failure very, very much. They see it as an endpoint always, a clear sign that they are not good enough. Society strongly tells us to avoid mistakes. Don't fail. The world screams loudly at us. This is a big misunderstanding, a wrong belief. Billionaires do not fear failure so much, not in the same crippling way at least. They see failure quite differently from others. For them, it is a very good teacher, a very strict and brutally honest teacher. It shows them exactly what went wrong. It gives them valuable data and insights always. This data is more precious than pure gold. This idea is often completely overlooked. Why is that so, you might ask? Because failures are not glamorous or exciting. People like to share their success stories. They hide their mistakes very carefully. Billionaires also face many setbacks, but they learn from them and then they move on. They don't let it crush their hopeful spirit. This is the key fundamental difference. Think of it like learning to ride a cycle. You fall down many times, don't you agree? Each fall teaches you something about balance. It teaches you control and also mental focus. Billionaires treat their business ventures like that. Each mistake is a fresh chance to learn and then to try again, but much smarter. This is their powerful, quiet, effective method. Let us look at some very famous names. Take Mr. Ratan Tata, for example. He faced many significant challenges always. The Tata Nano car project was very tough. It did not meet all its ambitious goals. But Tata Motors learned so much from it. They did not give up on innovation. They kept trying new, bold things. Or consider Mr. Mukesh Ambani of Reliance. Reliance Jio was a huge, risky gamble. Many people doubted its potential success then. There were big financial risks involved always. He invested thousands of crores of rupees. If it failed, the loss would be massive, but he believed strongly in his vision. He pushed through all the initial problems. Think of Miss Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw of Biocon. She started her company in a small garage. Banks were not ready to lend her money. It was very difficult for a woman then. She faced rejection after painful rejection, but she persisted bravely with her dream. Each no made her even more determined. She built a global biotech firm from scratch. These great leaders did not have a smooth ride. Their journeys were full of tough obstacles. They made mistakes, both big and small. But they did not stop at that point. They analyzed their failures very carefully. They adapted their business plans accordingly. Failure became their best feedback mechanism. This is a common, vital thread among them. So how can you use this important secret? It is not just for aspiring billionaires. Anyone can apply this powerful, simple principle. First, change your mindset about failure completely. Stop seeing it as a permanent full stop. See it as a comma, just a temporary pause. A good chance to rethink your strategy, a moment to learn and then to grow. When you try something and it doesn't work out, do not just feel bad and then quit. Ask yourself some important probing questions. What exactly went wrong in this situation? What can I learn from this specific experience? How can I do it differently the next time? Write down these valuable lessons somewhere. Don't just think about them, document them. Start small if you are feeling afraid. Take small, manageable risks in your daily life. Try a new skill or a different hobby. Be prepared that you might not be good, not good at it at first at least. Embrace the discomfort of not knowing everything. This builds your resilience muscle up slowly. It makes you mentally stronger over time. Remember, success is not a straight, easy line. It is full of many twists and turns and many, many valuable learning opportunities. Those opportunities often look like failures initially. So go out and try some new things. Don't be too scared to make some mistakes. Learn from them and keep moving forward. That is the real untold billionaire secret.